All right, I really hate doing a bad review, but these things deserve it. I got sent one and it worked to an extent, about 10 megabytes per second, maybe on occasion up to 30 something. And then half the time it's crashing or just not working at all, and I have to troubleshoot my system, and then I have to pull that out, replug it back in. It's been a nightmare. So they sent me another one, okay? And that one really didn't work. Not worth a hell of beans. And then finally just completely died. So these are classified, in my opinion, junk, okay? I've read the reviews, the bad reviews, and everybody that has bad reviews has the same problem I have. They bought it, it either works very little or at slow speed, and it's not worth having. So all I can say is this definitely does not work for me. So don't spend your money on it. If you see anything that looks like the body of this here, don't buy it. It's junk. Good luck, God bless, and this does not work for me.